Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning, Standard SY BCom, Subject FC, Chapter Approaches to Understand Ecology, Topic Equity Principle. As you see in this picture, equity principle, equity, what is the meaning of equity? ये picture से आपको clear idea मिलेगा. Yes, equalizing the thing of whether the human being, whether it is an biosphere, whether it is an animal, anyone, सबको एक equal level में देखना. Let us understand the meaning first. The management of human use of biosphere so that it may yield the greatest sustainable benefit to the present generation while maintaining its potential to meet the needs and aspiration of future generation. Okay, first, equity is to manage both human being as well as biosphere as well as all the living things that is sustained in this planet. Okay, this is a most precious thing in the planet and it has to be saved. All the living has to be saved and it may yield the greatest sustainable benefit to prevent the present generation while maintaining the potential of it, and we should have that much potential so that we can meet the aspiration of future generation. It is a basic concept. ये एक basic concept है जो all over the world इसको follow करना चाहिए, because ये जो path है, ये जो biosphere है, ये जो management है ये equity का, is very important and very need for the present as well as to meet the need of the future generation. Now let us understand the intragenerational equity. Intragenerational equity is a concern with the equity between the people of the same generation. Okay, जो भी concern है वो same generation के ऊपर concerned है. This is separated from intergenerational equity, which is about equity to present as well as a future generation. Okay, वो जो प्रेजेंट जनरेशन का भी है और वो इम्पोर्टेंस फ्यूचर जनरेशन को भी कंसिडर करना चाहिए. इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स कंसिडरेशन ऑफ व्हाट इज़ फेयर फॉर द पीपल विद इन आवर वन नेशन. मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट, very very important thing to consider fair amongst the people within our nation. Proximity to existing environmental problem. People living in city tends to be the most affected by the pollution, noise, threats, chemicals, contaminations, accident. Although the pollution and exposure to agriculture, pesticides can be the problem in some rural areas. Urban area also find problems like growing up industries creating more pollutions, lack of green environment, lack of green space. ये सब impact किधर होता है? environmental problem में. ओके नहीं, ये बहुत डिस्टर्ब करता है within cities people those who are living. बहुत लोग फाइट कर रहे हैं अभी अपना डिजीज़ के ऊपर, बिकॉज ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम है. They have to suffer from lack of provision of urban infrastructures, community facilities, and many other things. Then we have poverty. Yes, poverty is the biggest burden in the environment. वो था, वो है और रहेगा. Okay, we can't say that everybody will become the richest person in the world. Okay, this poverty will be there, but it is important कि कितना poverty level है. Okay, because more affluent people have greatest choice about where they live. They can afford to pay for more lives in the area of the environment. 110% उन लोग affordable रहते हैं to make the payment to live their life luxurious life, but many people are not that much affordable. They fight. They live near the place where there is more pollution. They live near the place where there is no access of education, resources, skills. Many slum places are there where these people survive. Then we have vulnerability, health impacts from environmental problems by factors such as age, gender, education, income, health status. This all occurs in vulnerability. While this citizen or the senior citizen may be more vulnerable to environment pollution than the young adults. Yes, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. उनका ईटिंग हैबिट चेंज हो जाता है, चिल्ड्रन का प्लेइंग हैबिट चेंज हो गया है, एजुकेशन हैबिट चेंज हो गया है, बहुत सिस्टम्स चेंज हो गए हैं और बहुत चीज़ के लिए एक्सप्लोर हो गए हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू अडल्ट. Then we have occupations. Workers in certain industries like mining, chemical industries and mineral processing are often exposed to higher health risks than others because उधर ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन क्रिएट होगा, उधर ज़्यादा प्रोपोर्शन में उनको केमिकल्स का हज़ार्डस इफ़ेक्ट होगा, उसमें ज़्यादा इंजरीज होता है, एक्सीडेंट होता है, ज़्यादा डिजीज़ फैलता है, तो भी लोग उधर काम करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ पॉवर्टी एंड बिकॉज दे हैव टू ग्रो फ्रॉम इट. देन वी हैव रेस कलर सिग्निफिकेंट फैक्टर्स को डिफाइन करता है. एनवायरमेंटल में एक बड़ा सा बर्डन है, बड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. जैसा आपको मालूम है अमेरिका में वो प्रॉब्लम बहुत बड़ा क्रिएट हुआ था, जैसा ब्लैक ब्लैक एज वेल एज वाइट पीपल के बीच में. यस, अभी लॉकडाउन में भी बहुत बड़ा बड़ा न्यूज़ आए थे. उसमें प्रॉब्लम्स तो उसमें ज़्यादा डेंजरस है, पर उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारा लाइवलीहुड भी स्पॉइल हुआ है लोगों का. Then we have developing countries. Inequalities are also caused by the exporter of hazardous product and waste to developing countries. It is estimated that a third of pesticides manufactured in the USA are banned in USA but are exported to the poor countries. ओके, क्या होता है ना, डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज़ में क्यों ज़्यादा इनइक्वालिटीज़ या प्रॉब्लम्स फैलते हैं? बिकॉज एक्सपोर्टर्स जो रहते हैं वो जो भी अनयूज़ प्रोडक्ट जो क्वालिटी में थोड़ा कम है वो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज़ में छपा देते हैं ताकि उन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स को झेलें. ओके, अच्छे से अच्छा क्वालिटी रहेगा तो बड़े बड़े डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज़ लोग लेते नहीं हैं. दे टेस्ट टू मच. ओके, एंड दिस डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज दे वांट्स आर टू मच, सो वो ले लेते हैं. सो दिस हाउ द प्रॉब्लम्स बिगिंस. Okay, although they agree to take it, but there are many questions whether the citizens of this nation have given inform to a concerned person, to the importers, inform किया है कि नहीं मालूम. Then we have impacts on measure to protect the environment. As we know, there is lots of competitiveness, okay, because this can affect the competitiveness to the environment, which could lead to a firm having to reduce its staff or extreme cases having to close down the company. पर इसके वजह से बहुत लोग अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हो जाते हैं एंड कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस रिड्यूस हो जाता है. पर्टिकुलरली इंडिविजुअल फर्म्स वर्कर्स सफ़र अ लॉट. देन वी हैव हॉल्टिंग डेवलपमेंट. इसमें लॉस ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में बहुत सारा कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस भी लॉस होता है, स्टाफ को डिक्रीज़ करना पड़ता है, साथ में साथ क्लोज डाउन करना पड़ता है. ओके, halting development में it is argued that the important benefits and the jobs are lost each time a development is halted on environmental grounds. People in the poor countries claim that demands by the rich country that they conserve their forests as a global resources would require them to solve economic development, which found more problematic. Then we have more disadvantages of the groups for the costing. Okay, people are rising the money unnecessary and account, and they are even rising the polluter space they have to pay, then too they are rising it. Then people are displacing the things. Many measures are taken to protect the environment, but many things have been displaced, shifting the environmental problems. Measures that we have inequalities effort. If environment problems are shifted from one place to the another or concentrated in one place, then there will be the problems more. For example, acid rain. Okay, European nations made their factories smoke hacks higher, and then too they have been shifting the problem from one place to the another. Here, intergenerational equity refers to the need for the just distribution of rewards and burdens between the generation. Most important thing is generation का जो problems आने वाले पीड़ित का problem जो है उसको किस तरीके से solve कर सकते हैं. The rate of loss of animals and plants species, arable land, water quality, tropical forests and cultural heritage are especially very serious problem over there. बहुत सारा लैंड स्पॉइल होना, एरेबल लैंड बन जाना, जो लैंड में कोई एग्रीकल्चर वर्क नहीं होना या वो लैंड में कुछ भी नहीं होना, फॉरेस्ट डेजर्ट एरिया हो जाना. ओके, they contribute to the various overwhelming anxieties for the first to prospect to impact on environmental growth. They have seen कि किस तरीके से environmental growth को stop कर सकते हैं, environmental growth को reduce कर सकते हैं. बहुत सारा responsibilities है. To capable of having knowledge to those action has a capacity to bring out the consequences so that they can bring the healthy environment can be shared. अच्छा environment मिल सकता है. इसमें बहुत सारे एग्रीमेंट हुआ था, जो एग्रीमेंट अभी आपको है इधर, दैट इज़ कन्वेंशन फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वर्ल्ड कल्चर एंड नेचुरल हेरिटेज इन 1972 में आया था. यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशंस ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज 1992 में आया था. दिस आर द एक्ट. Convention on Biological Diversity 1992, Rio Development on Environmental and Development 1992, Vienna Declaration and Program of Action 1993. These are some agreements जो इक्विटी प्रिंसिपल्स को फॉलो करने वाले हैं, जो एनवायरनमेंट, ह्यूमन बीइंग, बायोस्फीयर सबको इक्वल लेवल में देखने वाले हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.